Hello guys. How to adapt to stock changes? This is the heart of trading. What does it mean? It means the stock is not static. It doesn't stay where it was. Even in few seconds, some stocks move up or down. And this is what it makes the stock price movement. So if you are a day trader, you can use time frame. Time frame, it means you can use 1 minute candlestick or 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 or 15, depending on you. What is the time that it is best fit your personality and your action? It means how to react. Okay, some people they use 2 minutes because they act very well. They respond very well to the market, even in 1 minute or 2 minutes. And you see the chart by looking at the candlestick. If it is 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you use one only and you try. If it is good for you, you keep it. Now, swing traders, they use daily chart, which each candlestick represents 1 day. So in order to buy, I should see a lot of days, and I should have a signal where to buy and where to sell. So for me, I don't care about minutes or about 1 hour, 2 hour change. For me, I'm looking for the day, what did happen in the day. Around 3 o'clock each day, I go and I check my stocks. What my stocks have done. Should I move my stop loss? Or should I leave the stock as it is because the day wasn't that great? Okay, and these techniques that I use in order to follow the stock is in training level 7 for those who knows my training. For those who don't know, I have some techniques to show you how the stock moves daily, and if whether to stay or whether to exit the trade. This is a practice, this is a skill that you should learn if you want to be a swing trader, which means you are following trends. Okay, now adaptation is the heart of trading and life itself. The simplest thing about adaptation in your life is, for example, it is cold, you put more clothes when you go out. Okay, if it is raining, you put an umbrella, you put something to protect you from the rain. Okay, this is called adaptation. Why people they immigrate from one place to another? This is called adaptation. It means you are in a city where you don't find jobs, you don't find business to do, you find bad friends, bad neighborhoods, and you want to change that. This is called adaptation. You should go to some place where you find better opportunities, better education. This is called adaptation. Okay, if you are in desert, you adapt yourself not to spend too much water and not to waste water, because without water there is no life. Okay, if your salary or your weekly paycheck or bi-weekly paycheck, it is not enough, so you adapt yourself either by minimizing your expenses or by finding a second job or by finding another education to get a better jobs, or you try to do business. Okay, this is called adaptation. In the stock market, how you adapt yourself, it means when you see changes, you should adapt to these changes. You don't stay static. You do nothing as if you are paralyzed. This is what happens when you don't adapt yourself. For example, I'll give you an example, very simple example. You buy a stock $20. You don't put stop loss. Tomorrow it goes to $19. So you lose $100 for 100 shares you bought. Okay? You don't want to think about it. You said no. I am right. The stock, yes, it goes down, but I am right. So you are first you are stubborn. Okay, you see the market, it gives you a warning and it says I'm going down, and you say to the market, okay, man, the market, Mr. the market, I don't care about you. I'm still in the trade. I do nothing. The third day, the stock go to 17, and then you begin to see $300 is going out of your account. So you begin to worry, and then still you are stubborn. You don't want to exit or to do, and you say, no, I have lost. I didn't lose anything if I don't sell. This is what a beginner has said to me in one email. I was laughing the whole night. I say, yes, you don't lose anything. Okay, what if from $20 you go to 12? You are not losing anything? Okay. What if from 12 it goes to $5? Okay. What if? Because the market, you don't know what will happen. What if the stock you bought at 20, it goes to 5? You lost 75% of your money. And still you are telling me, no, the stock will be going up. That's one of the problems of the failures of the beginners, because they are stubborn. They let their feelings enter to their trades. That's why they will have real problems. That's why they have what we call big losses. If you are in a trade and you lose that much, 10%, 20%, 30%, and you are still staying, I'm telling you, you have a problem. You have a problem. And for me, I'm not going to solve your problem because you are stubborn. You continue to do what you are doing, and you think you know well, so you continue with your trade, and that's it. If a trader is not disciplined, you can't make it as a trader. So those people who are stubborn, those people who have been trading for a long time and they don't make money, but still they are stubborn. You tell them that you are wrong, but they say, no, I am right, man. I am right. I know what I'm doing. Okay. If you know what you are doing, just continue what you do. But if you are not making money and you are losing money each year, and maybe you will wipe out your account in 1 year or 2 or 3 or whatever, this is your mistakes, because if you do the same mistakes, you will get the same results. This is logic in anything you do in your life. If you do mistakes, you will have the same results. Okay, so that's it for to adapt to stock changes. As you when it is raining, you protect yourself with an umbrella because of the war, or you have more clothes that doesn't let the water go in. Okay, so here it is an adaptation. So why you do it? This adaptation, you do it in real life, but you don't want to do it in trading stocks. Trading stocks is the same as real life. It means you should protect yourself from the market, and you should adapt to new situations. That's why for me, I don't change anything until I see the market giving me information. That's why how I trade. That's why how I follow the stocks. This is what I do. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you have other ideas, please comment. If you need, for example, information, or you have questions about this subject, adaptation, please send me an email and we will discuss this. The email, you find it in the bottom of the description on the video. On the bottom you will find my email, and you can contact me, and then we continue our discussion. Thank you very much.